concern by the community.
Yeah, I think that has been well said by everyone. Good day, the chair, the council, members, mayor, and everyone else. I would not reiterate much on the Diwali day specifically. My entire thing goes against banning a particular thing, right? I'll just give an analogy to be very specific. Rash driving does happen. We don't ban driving altogether. We punish the bad players. In the same way, there are a lot of incidents or things that has been highlighted by the officer or the representation here. Those are the actions which are maybe very bad, criminal to some extent, on shooting each other with the fireworks. So those needs to be addressed with the proper enforcement. There has been certain pictures being presented there of specific places where certain violations have happened. Again, those needs to be taken care by the enforcement rather than banning an entire celebration. Now, we as in the city of Mississauga, we have always respected multiculturalism. I believe putting such a restriction would curb the voice of a minority, where we are saying that a certain very thin majority of people, which are what 0.01% as per the overall data being presented, would decide what a particular culture should be representing or not. We are having here total numbers, if I can go with the data. Data could be very funny the way it is represented based on percentages. We are looking at what 0.075% people which have the complaints that has been received over a year. That also we are not very specific how many of them are repeat calls, how many of them were beyond the dates that were allowed. So we are looking at what 0.001% people who have voted or spoken about banning particular thing against the people who are in favor of maintaining the status quo. So again, a ban on Diwali or overall fireworks, not specifying Diwali thing, we are trying to say that some cultures would be less welcomed in our city and express their heritage. And we are also damaging an entire generations of ours who have made Mississauga as our home, who are growing here. When they grow up, they would not even know the significance of how we celebrate our festival, because they would not even know that, okay, they need to have fireworks to celebrate with. Now, again, I believe that putting a ban, complete ban on fireworks would be a very dangerous precedence, which would not be right for the city, because again, I believe a lot of council members and others have spoken about it, that we have given a year's time for the things to take in, to act upon. As Councillor Damela told that the way we are looking at should be given more time to see how the education, and there is a lot which everybody accepted here. There could be education in the school levels, there could be education at the community levels, there could be more engagement with a lot of other communities, not only about one specific community, to enforce and educate them about the use of fireworks in a proper way and a proper time frame, right? And again, rather than spending, I would again not be in favor of a city spending a lot of money to do the fireworks at a certain place, rather than if we could utilize that much funds towards enforcing and managing the compliances would be better, rather than spending towards celebrating those 10 minutes of fireworks where majority of the people have already voiced out they won't be able to even come and enjoy. I would strongly urge, I would not reiterate most of the things that has been told about the significance of Diwali, which is very close to all of us, but let's not move towards a disproportionate ban. Let's protect the right of Hindus, which are sizable in numbers, and we are pretty law-abiding citizens mostly, right? There will always be bad elements in everywhere, so let's not get into that. And let's have more enforcement towards existing laws instead of punishing the entire community. Now, one particular incident of Westwood Mall has been highlighted again and again. I would not have liked to bring that up, but I'm just saying that very recently we did see a very open public display of a certain community out there which does not have any global existence in a map, of wiping out the entire Hindu community out of Canada. And we did not see any of the representations here going against it. So I don't think one incident should be highlighted such heavily, and I believe that should be taken care with proper enforcement. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And I don't think we necessarily are trying to focus on Westwood, or again, I know we talk about, I've got a plaza that everybody here probably knows about that has fireworks that happen on a regular basis. It's not done during Diwali or others. So fireworks in general is really the issue. But it sounds to me that you're saying we need to go back and do a better, have a plan to communicate and to be able to get this message out. I heard some student ambassadors and things like that, but the status quo has been a real challenge, which is why we're here today. So. But I appreciate you coming forward. Councillor Kovac, move your seat. So move. All in favor? Carried. Thank you, sir.